Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and new year, new collection from Scrappy Tails Crafts. I always love to do these hauls for you guys, and make sure you tune in to the Scrappy Tails channel tonight on the 17th. That's what today is, the 17th of January at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, where you will be able to see the beautiful makes. Also, Sabrina will be showing the collection as well. But what I love it when she does hers is she's got these beautiful makes that you can see these products in action and live in projects. And from what I'm seeing, she's got some new announcements. So this will be fun. So let's get started. Let's walk through. Now, I don't have all of the products, but that's okay. I will let you know what's in, what's not, and so forth. So let's start with the stamp sets. There are two 6x8 stamp sets, and we have this first one here. It's absolutely adorable, and this is called the Carrot Patch stamp set. Adorable bunnies, some great sentiments, some cute spring florals, and boy do we need spring right about now. Little bun, love it. Absolutely adorable, and there are coordinating dies available as well for this. We also have this one. We have a great gardening theme. This one is called Spring Seedling Stamp. So we have some great seedlings here. Even she's gone down to the little tiny identifiers for what is being planted. A watering can, some seed packs, great sentiments to go along with these to help bring in the springtime. Also, there are coordinating dies available for those as well. She has two stencils that are available. Now, this one here is called Tulips and Daffodil, and it is a 5-layer stencil set. Now, what's great with this is you have your daffodils up here and you have your tulips down here. So you can pick and choose which florals you want, but you will have some great choices with that. Again, a 5-layer stencil with that. The second one is a 4-layer, and it's called Easter Egg Background. So you can see that this will create a very large background. So you have the egg solid there, and then also another egg background solid. So you can see if I put these on top of each other, that background is completely full. And then the next two are just the decorating pieces within those eggs. So a great stencil. You can make a straight line, you can create a whole background, you can have fun creating what you're looking at creating. All right, let's look at some dies. So here we have the bunny silhouette, and we have some new packaging here, so that is awesome. So let's take this out. Course. So here we have a picture of what they look like. There's what the dies look like. We have little bunny tails to add on to them, and then on the back you also get a picture as well. So a great addition. These would also look great when it came to her garden store pop-up. Next up, we have the Trellis Vine die. Now, you'll see this will go good with her new pop-ups. Yes, there are two new pop-ups here. So there's a picture of what it will look like. It is a layering die. So here's the vine, and then here are the flowers that go on top of that. And then there is a better picture of it as well. Let's see, up next. Okay, we're just going to do that. Yep. This one here is called the Wheelbarrow Bunny Die. Too cute, lots of layering pieces so that you can give your image some dimension. That is what it will look like. He's too cute. Absolutely cute. Next up, the Bunny Kids Die. So here we have all the dies, again, layering, and then we have some great shrubs, or if you want to use it as grass, that you can layer up on your card. And that is what that die will look like. I love the hug of the bunny. Next up, Carrot Bunny Die. And here this has like a little, you can prop this out just a little bit. And that's what he looks like. And then we have some cutouts there so that the carrots will go in. So we're really adding, she's adding some details to the dies, which I think is great. This one here is called the Egg Hunt Kids Die. So again, lots of dies in this one. And that is what your image will look like. So you have your eggs, and then you have the trellis there. So that vine trellis would look great on this as well. We have the Spring Tree Die. So we can have lots of dimension to this tree, some flowers to it, a swing. And that's what it can look like after you layer all of that up. So I love the fact that we have this base here, and by adding these pieces here, you get two different colors within the tree. So if you don't have inks or don't want to use inks and you're just strictly a cardstock person, we are set to go. So here we have some add-ons, and these are also available as a bundle for the A7 pumpkin pop-up. So first up we have the lamb, adorable face. This is what it will look like. And then you have this beautiful arch that goes up above it. That pumpkin die would be great if you didn't want to put together one of those big Easter baskets that the Easter Bunny brings. The Easter Bunny can bring a small one and fill it up with candies, but adorable little lamb. We have the chick add-on. So all of the pieces here, I love the wings that can come out, the addition of bunny ears, and this is what they look like. You can make one look like it's holding a flower, and the faces are just absolutely precious. Didn't forget St. Patty's Day in spring, so we have the leprechaun add-on to the A7 pumpkin pop-up, and that is what your character will look like. That I love that hat. Absolutely love that hat. Love, love, love. And then we have the Easter Bunny. Gotta have an Easter Bunny. So we have all kinds of ears here, some flowers, and that's what that will look like. Too cute. Again, I just love that hat. Love that hat too. So getting lots of ideas here. And then we have the Pot of Gold add-on, because gotta have a pot of gold when it comes to our leprechaun, and that's what this will look like. And you even get those sentiments as well to say Happy St. Patrick's Day onto that. And then your rainbow, you can have the different. I love the fact that with these you get the base, and then you can add your colors to that base. So you have a starting point to add your elements to it. We have an egg carton season or seedlings die, and you'll see what this comes into. So it's going, these are all of the dies here. So we got lots of tools. We've got the little tiny, I forget what they're called, the little tiny blocks of soil, the seedlings coming up, some roots, and this is what they would look like. coming through, which I think is great. And I'm going to keep that one right there. This one's called the Egg Carton Chicks. So lots of eggs here. Great ideas with some ink smushing, adding your inks. We have some chicks coming out of the egg. This is what they look. I love that one. That one upside down. Oh my God. So cute. But nice size eggs to have some fun with. And I'm going to keep that there as well. So here we have the A7. We're going to get into the pop-up now. And the first one that I'm going to show are for where you can use these as part of it. And it is called the Slimline Egg Carton Pop-Up Card. And these are the two pieces. So I think it is amazing that she's designed an egg carton. And that will be a pop-up card, and you can put your eggs and the chicks in this, and they will pop up from the card. I cannot wait to see her samples on these tonight. Again, I do hope you'll join us. It's fun to watch the chat. You can ask all of your questions, and I believe she has it set up as a premiere. So that's pretty cool. We've got some sentiments in here. This is what it'll look like. So you've got Happy Easter, and then you've got your pop-ups sitting there. And again, with this, you have some eggs in here as well, and they're designed differently. So we have the polka dots, we have the florals, and then in this one, excuse me, we have the stripes and the zigzags and dots. But these will fit in here as well. And even the seedlings is a great add-on for this as well. So a new pop-up, of course. And then we have the A7 Fence Trellis pop-up card. So a beautiful trellis, and that vine will look absolutely gorgeous on this. This will look absolutely great on her book pop-up die. I'm just seeing that vine going. We have a fence, and this is what that will look like as well. So many add-ons that we can put from the collections that she's already released can be added to this as well. She does have a bunch of gems available. I have just a couple here. So a beautiful green and yellow mixture of gems, and they're iridescent. And then a pink with little bunnies, and pink gems for this one. And as always, if you spend over a certain amount, and I believe this is set at 125, you will have the ability to get a free die, and this one's homegrown with a little tiny leaf, and that's what that looks like. She does also have a paper pad that is available. I'm sorry, I just don't have that here with me, but what I can show you is, now the packets may look different, but you will get 2 packets of embellishments. Again, not necessarily these, so don't hold me to that, but you do get 2 packets. You're going to get the paper pad, and it is absolutely adorable. You will also get this stamp set, and just the stamp set, not the coordinating dies. And you will also get the egg background, and you will get this wheelbarrow bunny die. So again, also the pattern papers, and the pattern papers are set 24 sheets with 12 designs. You get 4 of each design, and her paper pads are 6 by 8.5, and it is called Happy Easter. So it's a great value for the kit. It's valued at over $80, and it's for only $44.95. So the collection is live as I am showing this. Please make sure you go to Sabrina's channel at 8 p.m. tonight, January 17th. Yes, I'm giving the correct date this time, so that you can see all of these products just put to the works. You'll be able to see all of her makes that she did. Her and her mom just do a absolutely wonderful, wonderful job. Can't wait to hear about the announcements. I will have her shop linked below if you want to check out the full collection and see some of the pictures of the projects that she has completed as well. If you have any questions, leave those down below or hold them to her premiere tonight. And I hope everyone is staying safe through 2024 so far. This wonderful winter season. Spring is just around the corner. That's what I just keep telling myself. But remember, always enjoy the process. Have fun creating your art. I love it when all of these new things come out and new ideas that we have, so that we can continue to create with the best medium ever, paper. But again, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, make sure you ring the bell for notification here for the videos here. Soon I will be having some announcements, so stay tuned for that. But most of all, remember, always, and still, after 7 years, always be creative, and I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.